In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wells Fargo SuperChecks. If you've received these in the mail or requested them from Wells Fargo, you're probably wondering how they can benefit you and wondering how to make the most out of them. SuperChecks are essentially checks linked to your credit card, allowing you to access funds from your credit line for various purposes. So let's dive into the process of using Wells Fargo SuperChecks step by step, and make sure you understand every detail. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Wells Fargo credit card account. You can do this either online on their website or through the Wells Fargo mobile app. This initial step is crucial, as it helps you confirm your account status and check any available balance. If you're already familiar with your online banking routines, this should be a breeze for you. However, if you're accessing your account for the first time, make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're logged in, familiarize yourself with the account section so that you can smoothly proceed to the next steps. Now let's locate your super checks. Typically, these checks are sent to you along with your credit card. If you haven't received them, don't worry, you can request them directly from Wells Fargo if they are not readily available. It's always a good idea to keep them in a safe but accessible location because they function just like any other checks you might use. When you have your super checks ready, the next step is to write the check. Start by writing the name of the person or company you wish to pay on the Pay to the Order of line. It's important to be precise here, as any inaccuracies might result in the check not being accepted. After that, move on to writing the payment amount. Include the amount both in numbers and in words. This is exactly like a regular check, so make sure both entries match to avoid any potential discrepancies. Doing so ensures clarity in the payment process and avoids any confusion at the time of deposit or cashing. Next, you need to sign the check. Make sure to sign your name on the signature line exactly as it appears on your credit card. Consistency with your signature is key to ensuring the check is considered valid and can be processed without issues. Double check it to confirm there's a match and avoid having your check returned. Finally, decide how you will use your super check. You can deposit or cash it like a regular check. Alternatively, it can be used to pay off another credit card balance. Be mindful, however, that the processing of super checks may take a few days, just like any traditional check. By carefully following these steps, you'll ensure a seamless experience when using your Wells Fargo super checks. Keep these tips in mind to make the most out of this convenient financial tool. Thank you for joining me today to learn about Wells Fargo SuperChecks.